Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Tilda versus Wix, two popular website building software options. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features, pros, and cons of each platform to help you decide which one is best for your website in 2025. First, let's start with Tilda. Tilda is a website building platform that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It offers a range of templates and a drag-and-drop editor that allows you to create a website without any coding knowledge. Tilda is ideal for small businesses, bloggers, and individuals who want to create a website quickly and easily. On the other hand, Wix is a more established website building platform that offers a wide range of features and tools. Wix has a large template library and a drag-and-drop editor, as well as advanced features such as e-commerce integration and SEO optimization. Wix is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. One of the key differences between Tilda and Wix is the level of customization. Tilda offers a more limited range of customization options, while Wix provides a high degree of flexibility and control over the design and layout of your website. However, this also means that Wix can be more overwhelming for beginners, while Tilda is generally more user-friendly. In terms of pricing, Tilda offers a range of plans, including a free plan and several paid plans that start at around $10 per month. Wix also offers a range of plans, including a free plan and several paid plans that start at around $14 per month. When it comes to e-commerce integration, Wix has a clear advantage. Wix offers a built-in e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store and sell products directly from your website. Tilda, on the other hand, does not have a built-in e-commerce platform, although it does integrate with third-party e-commerce services. Ultimately, the choice between Tilda and Wix depends on your specific needs and goals. If you want a simple and easy-to-use website building platform with a limited range of features, Tilda may be the best choice. However, if you need a more advanced platform with a high degree of customization and e-commerce integration, Wix is likely a better option. In conclusion, both Tilda and Wix are powerful website building software options that can help you create a professional-looking website. By considering your specific needs and goals, you can choose the platform that is best for your website in 2025.